Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of personal finance? Do you find yourself searching for that one simple, actionable step that can truly kickstart your journey to financial freedom? What if I told you that your journey to wealth could literally start with a $2 notebook? Yes, you heard that right. A humble, inexpensive notebook could be the key to unlocking your financial potential. No apps, no fancy spreadsheets, no secret hacks promising overnight riches. Forget the complicated software and the endless online courses for now. Just you, a pen and a blank page. A return to the basics, a tangible method for organizing your thoughts and finances. Hey, it's Bright Facts, and today, I'm breaking down how you can build real wealth, not through some complicated scheme, but through a surprisingly simple and effective method. Starting from scratch, with just a simple notebook. We're going to explore how this low-tech tool can help you gain clarity, track your progress, and ultimately, achieve your financial goals. Let's dive in. Let's uncover the power of the notebook method and how it can transform your financial life. First off, why a notebook? In a world dominated by digital tools, why are we advocating for something so seemingly old-fashioned? It's tactile, it's always there. Unlike your phone, it won't run out of battery, it doesn't require an internet connection, it's a constant companion on your financial journey. And trust me, something magical happens when you put pen to paper. There's a deeper connection, a more profound level of engagement than when you type on a screen. Your thoughts slow down, your intentions get clearer. The act of physically writing helps you process information more effectively and solidify your understanding. That's the foundation of wealth, clarity, and consistency. Without a clear understanding of your finances and a consistent approach to managing them, building wealth becomes an uphill battle. Step 1. Track everything. This is the cornerstone of the notebook method. For 1 month, write down every single penny you spend. Every transaction, no matter how small, needs to be recorded. Coffee. That daily latte adds up more than you think. Gas. Fueling your car is a necessity, but are there ways to optimize your trips and save money on gas? Subscriptions you forgot you had. Those monthly fees can drain your bank account without you even realizing it. I know, sounds tedious, but you'll be shocked at what you find. The sheer amount of money that slips through the cracks can be eye-opening. Patterns appear, bad habits stand out. You'll start to see where your money is actually going and identify areas where you can cut back. You see, you can't change what you don't notice. Awareness is the first step towards taking control of your finances. Step 2, set your money goals. Now that you have a clear picture of your spending, it's time to define what you want to achieve. Flip to a new page and write down exactly what you want. Be specific and don't be afraid to dream big. Want to save for a dream trip? Imagine yourself on that beach exploring a new city or experiencing a different culture. Start your own business? Envision the freedom and fulfillment that comes with being your own boss. Or just build a cushion so you can sleep a little easier? Knowing you have a financial safety net can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. Write it all down, even if it feels out of reach. The act of writing it down makes it more real, more tangible, and more likely to happen. Step 3. Make a plan. Right there in your notebook. This is where you bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired future. Break your goals into tiny steps. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Focus on what you can do today, this week, this month. For example, if you want to save $1,000 in a year, let's break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. That's less than $3 a day. A small sacrifice that can lead to a significant reward. Suddenly it feels doable, right? By breaking down your goals, you make them less intimidating and more attainable. Here's where it gets powerful. Revisit your notebook daily. Make it a part of your routine like brushing your teeth or checking your email. Jot down your wins, your struggles, your random ideas. Use your notebook as a space to reflect on your progress and brainstorm new strategies. This isn't just about numbers, it's about building a relationship with your money. It's about understanding your values, your priorities, and how your spending aligns with them. The more you pay attention, the more your wealth grows. Like a plant that needs sunlight and water, your finances thrive when you give them consistent attention. And let's be real, there'll be setbacks. No financial journey is without its bumps in the road. You'll forget to track, make impulse purchases, or feel like giving up. It's all part of the process. Don't beat yourself up about it. That's normal. Just pick up your notebook and keep going. The key is to stay persistent and not let temporary setbacks derail your long-term goals. Progress isn't linear. There will be ups and downs, good months and bad months. I started my own journey with nothing but a cheap notebook. I was in debt, struggling to make ends meet, and feeling lost. Over time, I saw my habits shift, my confidence grow, and my net worth slowly tick upward. It wasn't a quick fix, but it was a sustainable path to financial freedom. Trust the process, be patient with yourself, and celebrate every small victory along the way. So here's your challenge. Grab a notebook, any notebook, and start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is always now. Your future self will thank you. You'll look back and appreciate the effort you put in to create a better financial future. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Bright Facts for more tips that actually work. We're committed to providing you with practical, actionable advice that can help you achieve your financial goals. Go build that wealth, one page at a time. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way.